Good morning, students. Today again the ordinal number we will revise. Then we will revise the pattern. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which are show the position of a animal or something. Some first is first, second, third, like this. So these number show the position, and these number is something different from the. See, this is one I have written. This is one I have written. So in ordinal numbers, we will write like this, and this is ordinal number. This is simple one, but this is ordinal number. But okay, this is number one. This is also one. See, I have written one like this, and I have written one like this. This one is one, number one, but this is not one. We will not read as one. It is first. We will read as first. First. Okay. And this is called as ordinal number. This number is used when the show the position of something. Okay. Something position when showing, that is called as, this number are used. These things are used like this. We have to write. So these numbers are called ordinal numbers. Those numbers which show the position is called the ordinal number. Either it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Which position is? Suppose 10 are running. 10 people are running. So who is the first one? So when we are saying the first position, it is not one. It is first. It is first. Position is first. So we will write, when we give certificate, we will write this, and this is called as ordinal number. Like 2 also, 2. It is called as, how you will write? It is simple 2, but here 2 is written and ND is written. It is called as, it is said to be second. Second. Since first, this is second. 3C. How we will read? Third. This is 3. This is third. This is 3 and this is third. See this one? 4. This is 4 and this is fourth. This is 4. This is fourth. This is 1. This is first. This is 2. This is second. This is 3. This is third. When we are writing this with the alphabets also, here alphabets also there. So it is first, second, third, fourth. Then I have written here 5. Here it is 5. TH we will write. It become fifth. It become, how we will pronounce? Fifth. Then 6th. We pronounce it. How will pronounce? 6th. Then 7th. Then 8th. 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 Okay. One more time I am writing, because see this one. 1 I am writing. 1 with TH. Now it become, it show the position. This number doesn't show the position. This number show the position. It is at first position. It is first. And this is second. Then third. Then fourth. After that, fifth. After fifth, here it is sixth. Then seventh. After that, eighth. Then ninth. Now see this one. 10. In every number I have add some alphabet. As I am saying, this is the first. So I have written here 1 and ST. 1 and ST. It become first. ST become first. Then second. This is third. This is fourth. Fifth. Sixth. How will you pronounce it? Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. Then tenth. Okay. When we are saying first, this is 1 and ST. First. Second, 2 and ND. Second. Third, 3 and RD. Third. Fourth, 4 and TH. Fourth. 5, 5 and TH. Fifth. 6, 6 and TH. Sixth. 7, 7 and TH. Seventh. 8, 8 and TH. Eighth. Then 9 and 9 and TH. 9. Then 10. T. 1010 or TH. See this, we have added some alphabets, and though in those number where alphabet added, pronunciation also change, and that number showed us the position. It's not show the position, it is simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but these numbers are show the position, and this is called as the ordinal numbers. This is called as ordinal numbers. Suppose there is a leaf, here is a flower, here is a tree, here is a mountain, here is the sun, here is a toffee, here is a bell. So all are in line, but we will give this one as first. This is second. This is third. Fourth. Fifth. This sixth. Seventh. Then balloon, you see, it says 8. So in a line, they are in a line or a queue, and I have write in which position they are. They are in which position? Leaf is in first position. This is flower, second position. See the position. This is tree, third. Mountain, fourth. Sun, fifth. This is toffee, sixth. Bell, seventh. And balloon is in eighth position. All are in line. And see, if I ask, the mountain is dash in the line. The mountain is, suppose I ask, the mountain is dash in the line. Writing again. The mountain. See, I have drawn pictures. I have not write the spelling there. Mountain is dash in the line. So see, the mountain position, it is in which position? Fourth. So we will write here fourth. It is at fourth position. Okay. Then you see one more. Bell. The bell is dash bell is 7. So we will write here 7. So we have, as the numbers we are giving, as the position we are giving, that only is called the ordinal number. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.